everyone, in this video I will be showing you best FPS settings CSGO 2. So when playing against other players, having the optimal Counter-Strike 2 settings give you an advantage, particularly in terms of visibility. These are the ideal CS2 settings to optimize your frame rate without sacrificing visual quality. So of course, you have to open your CSGO, and video is the first tab of settings that you need to be adjusted. So here, what you want to do is for the main menu background scenery, you have to remain this as DOS2. For aspect ratio, you have to remain it as widescreen. For resolution is 1920 1080 for display mode windowed, and that is for our video settings. So you have to take note of this. Second is let's go to advanced video, and then we just have to simply, change some of the settings here to get the best settings for CSGO. So let's tap this advanced video here and let's scroll down. Let's start with ambient occlusion. So you just have to simply tap this arrow facing down and select disabled. For high dynamic range, you have to remain this as performance. For fidelity super resolution, you have to select the disabled highest quality. So you have to remember the settings here. Now let's proceed to shader detail. For shader detail, you have to select low. And for particle detail, you have to select low. So that's it. That is for the shader detail, particle detail. Now let's move on to multi-sampling mode. So you have to tap this arrow facing down and select this 2x MSAA. Tap this one. And after you select this, you have to go to global shadow quality and go to this arrow facing down, or you just have to remain this as low. Also for modal texture detail, you have to select medium. So always remember to follow the settings in order for you to have the best settings for CSGO 2. So you can review the following here. Now let's proceed to the very last, which is this boost player contrast, vertical sync, current video values preset. So here you have to go to this area and you just have to remain that as enabled for vertical sync, disabled for current video values preset, custom. Okay, so that's it. Then after you change the settings here, then you can expect that you will have this best settings for CSGO 2. Now you can go back and run the game or play the game. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.